We're at the Triad Parker store with Taylor. Taylor, can you tell us about the PTS labels?
Yeah, we attach a PTS label onto every hose assembly that we fabricate in our Parker stores. They contain quite a bit of information: the type of hose, the length, the fittings that are on each hose, any coverings, our contact information so that our customers can quickly and easily give us a call with a unique identification number, and we can remake that assembly at any time.
And how does this benefit the customer?
It saves the customer time. They can call in their order ahead of time. We can make it up while they travel to our store and have it ready to go when they get here. And it also eliminates any potential error. We know exactly what we're making and we can duplicate the original hose assembly.
How does this help with customer downtime?
It helps to reduce customer downtime. Instead of taking the hose off and bringing it into the store and waiting for a replacement to be made, they can call with a unique PTS identification number, leave the hose on the machine while they come and get the replacement, and then just swap it out, and the machine's only down for a minute or two.
For more about PTS labeling or anything about Triad, visit triadtechnologies.com.